Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I show you this laptop. I had formatted this laptop 10 years ago and it's still working perfectly. So Windows 7 this laptop installation before 10 years, and this before our shop name was Nanotechnology. So this PC name is Nano and it's working perfectly, still everything okay. As customer he want to install Windows 10. This laptop is very old model and now I will install Windows 10. So first you have to make a bootable USB. So I have to use bootable USB and I take restart the computer, shut down. So this is the Acer model. Acer model, you have to press power button and press F12. If F12 not working, go to the F2 BIOS setup and then you can change the boot order from USB. So I press F12. Sometime Acer F12 is BIOS boot disable. So how can you make that enable? So I press power button and press F2 and I have to enable the F12 boot menu. So when you power on, you can see here press F2 to BIOS setup. So this is the old BIOS, legacy BIOS, and go to the uh, main and you can see here the F12 boot menu disable. You have to make it enable. Okay, and here I go to the boot menu and you can see here is the first boot and the hard disk and USB Kingston data travel. This one is my USB. So I go back, save, change and exit and press F12 for boot menu, and you can see now is showing boot menu option and you can see here is the boot menu. So I go to the down and USB SDD, press enter and now it's loading Windows and 64-bit I will install. So this USB you have to make bootable. How to make the USB bootable pen drive Windows 10, I have video in my channel, you can watch there and you see my work. 10 years working the Windows, not original, is working perfectly, no any problem, still working the Windows 7. Now you can see loading Windows 10. This i3 4GB RAM, so it's can working Windows 10 no problem. And now you can see here is the option and press next if you're using English and then install now and then press I don't have product key. If you have product key you can install here. So I don't have product key and then I go to the Windows 10 Pro. This is the best version for Windows 10 Pro and compatible with all the device, and press next and then I have to and then I accept license terms, then next, and here is you can update or you can custom install advanced and I go to custom install and then here is two partition, three partition, this for data, primary for data, this 3 and 4 partition, this for data, and first this two partition is for Windows and this one for C. Okay, have to delete this and now guys delete the first partition, that is the C, and I will make the new partition, but I don't want to delete the other partition files, there have the some data. So I delete first two option and then make the new partition and then press OK, and now will be make for new Windows partition and C, and then press next and it will be install the Windows on this hard drive Windows 10. After complete this copy all the files, it will get restart and finish Windows install on this laptop. Come back after and see guys, this laptop is done. And how can you bring this desktop icon? Right click in the empty place, personalize, and go to the themes and go here down desktop icon and mark this all, and then okay, and then you can see here is the working all the partition and windows and working all the files is available. Do not delete anything. So this laptop before I install Windows 10 years ago and now install again, it's working perfectly. So guys, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And you can see sometime your laptop date and time is not good, not okay. So when you connect the internet not working, you have to fix the date and time. If the battery is damaged, you have to change the battery. Is available. Battery number is CR2030 is like this battery. You can find any shop and change this battery and then change the date and time. It will be work.